Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a chicken curry. So far I've put my chicken into the crock pot with some spray oil. I'm also going to be using some chili flakes, some ground cumin, some ginger puree, some tomato puree, some turmeric, some paprika, salt, pepper, garlic cloves, 2 shallots, 1 large onion and 2 chicken stock cubes. I'll bring you back as I'm putting them in. As you can see, I blended my cloves of garlic and my shallots together. I'm going to put them into the crock pot next. Now as you can see, I've added the shallots and the garlic into the slow cooker crock pot. Now I'm going to add my spices. So here we go. Some chili flakes, some cumin, some turmeric, some paprika, and to that I'm going to add some salt and pepper, and then I'll bring you back. Now I added my salt and pepper and I cut up the big onion into smallish pieces, well, some are not so small. Now I'm going to add some ginger and then tomato paste. So now I'm going to add my tomato paste, a nice squeeze, and then a squeeze of ginger. I will mix it all up and then I will put my stock in. I'll be back in a minute. Now as you can see, I've mixed all that in together, and now I'm going to add the 2 stock cubes with 300 millilitres of water. Now I'm going to let that cook for a few hours. I will bring you back when it's cooked. Okay, we're back. That's my chicken curry done. And I have some rice in a bowl ready. Now I'm going to serve and I'll show you. And there we have a chicken curry ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed watching this one. Until the next time, goodbye.